All right, for the very first time, guys, we're gonna walk into Naviland in Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be here to watch us do it. It may be dark. Let's see what we see.
Why is it not?
Ooh, flashing light.
Ah.
Oh, you're just making shit up now.
Not.
I was actually saying ooh for real.
That's so cool.
See, I don't know if you guys can see this on the floor. The ground is lit up. You got the light and lit up plants.
That's awesome.
If you rub the belly of that beast,
Yeah.
it'll spray.
Oh, cool.
You guys probably can't see it, but there's a guy over there rubbing the belly of the plant, and the plant is producing oxygen. I'll show you during the day. It's very misty around here and humid, but you can see the glowing plants. Very cool, eh, hun?
Very cool.
Are you happy, or are you just...
I'm very happy.
Okay, cool.
Hindi to may due crepe sa sauce.
Can you hear the animals other than the human beings? You hear the growling animals?
Yes.
Ooh. Are you...
Scary.
What are you doing here? Are you okay?
I'm all good.
What's on your shirt?
Rain from the mist.
You got spit on?
Yes, I got spit on.
Why did you say something?
Because you're recording. This is so amazing. Wow.
It's really pretty here at night. I know it's really dark for you guys, but you can see some of the light. Let's go over some more plants over there, right? I don't know if you can see the waterfalls over there. Those are the floating clouds. Islands are there floating. The world is real wild at night, eh?
Wild.
Start. 5 minutes. What do you think? See how those lines are touching the ground, right? It's floating right above us.
So amazing.
Those things that are lit up right there, son,
Yeah.
they're supposed to produce oxygen and it flows.
It's so cool.
I see a photo pack. You want to get a photo taken?
I don't think anyone can see our picture in this.
You want? You're not.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll put it in right about now. Well, that was our pictures. Hope you liked them. Yeah. All right. Let's walk over quickly over to the drumming guys. And that will be our probably the end of our little video. So let's go take a look. Oh, hang on a second. Look at this guy. Ooh, almost fell down. That's cool. All right, the drummers are over here. I don't know if you can tell, but these are drums. And Mickey is blowing on Lisa's back. All right, let's get out of the noisiness. Hey, Lise.
What?
At the standby line for Navi River Journey. You want to go in it?
Yes.
All right. So, guys, if you want to see that, stay tuned. Next video.